This one, that one, this one, how I'm supposed to pick.
We just be taking the Windows XP CD and we are installing into the new PC because we just buy the new PC. Then we are installing the OS Windows XP. Like that, we are taking the CD, that is the CM CD. We are now going to install into the server SH500C. Like this, how we are installing the PC, like the same we are installing the OS for SH500. See that CM CD. So this server will have the DVD drive. So we have to insert the CD in the DVD drive. It has two ports. One in backside we have two ports. One is Ethernet 1 and another is Ethernet 2. How we will monitor this? Because here we have that monitor, so we can when the voice is getting installed, we can clearly we have seen. How we will see here? So we have to connect in the our PC or laptop here through cross cable in the Ethernet port 2. So the Ethernet port default IP address is 192.11.13.6. So I am keeping my PC IP address is 192.11.13.5. So I just insert the CD here, that CMCD in the server. So this is a DVD drive. Here we put that CD, that OS CD, that is CMCD. Here we have small button. After giving the power supply, on the server, you have to click this button. Then only the server will start. Here is it is the power button. Insert the CD here and just restart the system. So my PC is connected to the server using cross cable. So just I am giving command ping 192.11.13.6-T. So my PC IP address is 192.11.13.5. Just check it. So 11.13.5, the server is 11.13.6, that is service port Ethernet 2. So just I restart the system server, so it will take time to ping from my PC. So now it is pinging. So give the command telnet 192.11.13.6. So install or upgrade this software. Now I am going to install. So press enter. Do you want to proceed? Already have the partition. Yeah. Press enter. So it's showing 4.0.5. It is the current version that the CD contains. You want to so it's just showing the CD contains this version. So I want to install this version. Press enter. So first it will take partition, formatting, this insertion will take 15 to 20 minutes. So like that it will go. So after completed the installation, the CD just automatically eject from the DVD drive. Then you have to take back the CD. it automatically, after installing, it automatically eject the CD from the server. So now it's showing it's copying. They are getting copying all the files. So after some time we will get the requested timeout. So what is the communication management? This management is completed. So the same is get installed in the server. It's showing it is completed. It's showing it is completed. After, because we using telnet we install the CM, it automatically, after installing, it automatically get back from the telnet. We have this mode. So here also requested timeout is getting restarting. It will take time, 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. After that it will get ping. Yeah, now it's getting pinging. So just get into Internet Explorer. Give 192.11.18.6. So here there is a default login and password when we install the new CM. So we get this password from AGC networks. So I am not showing this password here. To login ID and password here. So after getting password login, I am getting this. Continue. Come to launch maintenance web interface. Just I am checking here. What are the things here? Come to software version and check. Yeah, this is 4.5. What we updated now. Then server access. First you have to check the server access. You have to enable all the things because for ASA login we will use the port 5023. For ASA, just checking. This is ASA. So here I am creating the new voice system. Let it be server name, network connection, because I consider cross cable to the server. So IP address is 192.11.18.6. Next, use the port 5023. But in server access page the 5023 disabled. So check it out. 5023. Clicking. I want to log in manually. Next, finish. Control E. I won't get. So what we have to do now? We have to enable it. That 5023. Then all the telnet, FTP, TFTP, all the server, and press submit. Okay. If now you try now, you will get all the things. So each time I have to log in and your password. So I try to log in, but it is connecting. It shows connection with the device has dropped because just we install the CM. We didn't put the license file and we didn't put the authentication file. So we have to install license and authentication. So first we have to give the date and time. Set the date and time for the server when you install the CM. Now the today's date is month is 04 slash and date is 23 slash 2011 and time is hour is 12 13 14 14 8243. So you have to check Asia Kolkata. Yes, Asia Kolkata. You have to click and submit. Okay, the time is set. Now you have to update the license file. There is two options. One is download file. You have to browse and download file. Then we have the another thing is click the license file and click the install the license file specified below. So this is the install the license file I previously downloaded. How I previously downloaded? So you have to download these files and you have to if I browse and store these files, right, it will browse and it will store in hard disk. So after that I will go to the license and click this option and I will tell previously downloaded in submit like that. Now I am going to do install the license file specified below. You can choose either option. So you check with the project what you have to do like that. So I am installing the license file specified below. Browse the file. I am keeping in the desktop. This is the license.lec file. I am just click opening and press submit. So the license installation installed completely successfully. Okay. Warning: the license installer requires a restart of the web server. Please wait 15 seconds for restart settings before clicking another link. So you have to wait for 15 seconds. So now you click the administration account. You have to create one login ID because before that we have the here we login using the default login. Once you after installing the license and after the license file and authentication file, the default password login ID will be removed from the server. So before that we have to add one login ID. So I am just adding admin and submit. Here you have to give yes users and profile 2. We have lot of profiles here. Profile 2 standard shell and give the password. Then add. So add registered operation complete. Okay. No, here it is not only one craft to login as access to CM. It is definitely CM stack. Okay. So after that, I am going to install authentication file. Before that, I will check whether that my login is working or not. Just giving log off, and I have to check whether this login is working or not. The admin. Yeah, it's working. So let's enter into this, and now download the authentication file. Just install our browse it in desktop. I am having that authentication file nothing pwd.pw file. Open it, install. So it's getting installing. You notice one thing that when you try to log into ASA, we can't be able to connect. We get some error. So we have to check after installing a license and authentication file. So authentication installation is successful. Okay, now